Okay, today I'm going to be making mash so that I can distill alcohol for homeopathic remedies I'm making in 3 days. Okay, so I found this old vinegar bottle and I drilled a hole in the lid and poured out the old vinegar. So now I'm going to make my mash in this thing. So when you let it ferment, you can't have air get to it, but you have to let the CO2 escape. That's where this comes in handy. You fill it with water part of the way, and it'll bubble out the CO2 but not let any air in. Okay, let's get started. We'll need 96 ounces of water. So I'm going to have to cut this recipe down because this isn't quite big enough. But I used to have a bucket that I would do this in. But I don't have it anymore, so I will cut this recipe down. Okay, first we will put 6 cups of water in this thing. Okay, so I changed my plans. I am going to do the full recipe. So right now we have 96 ounces of water in there. Now we will put 24 ounces of sugar in there. Okay, I just got back from the store. I bought some sugar, cornmeal, and yeast. Okay, to pour the sugar in here, I really need a funnel, but I don't have one, so I'm going to make one. Okay, we have put 3 cups of sugar, or 24 ounces of sugar in there. Now we will add 12 ounces of cornmeal. Now we will add the yeast. So we need 1 1/8 teaspoons. Now we'll make a yeast starter. This will take about 10 minutes. Okay, we're going to start with half a cup of warm water. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, I have dissolved the sugar in the water and I have added some yeast. Now we'll cover this. Okay, I have added the yeast to the mash. Now I will close the lid and fill this thing with water. I almost forgot, we have to shake up the mash. Okay, now we will let this sit for 3 days. After a while, this will start bubbling and letting the CO2 out. Okay, so I'm going to update y'all on this. It might take 3 or more days to fully ferment. Okay, so after this, it just bubbled. That means the CO2 is escaping now. And you can watch the water being pushed by the CO2 gas. Very slowly right now, but it'll get faster. Okay, it's getting a little bit faster, but you can watch that bubble. It's about to bubble. There it goes.